Yeah, it's Easter time again. I'm getting the Easter baskets in plastic buckets as if they were children. But they're not. Anyway, these are butterscotch squares. Here's a good thing for seeing. Free product placement. They got adult candy this year. The cute little things just didn't work. I did get away with the cupcake thing. I didn't realize I was really behind. And so, unless the syrups run out of things, so I went to use chocolate. And that'll teach me. Little thunder of all hell like royalty. Maybe. Anyway, these are butterscotch squares. I want to know. Okay, we charged them Easter candy. These children starving in the world, that this candy would be their main dinner. I'm not joking. They were to see something like this, or even taste something like this. It would be a miracle. Someone opened the sea for it. Actually, it's not a joke. Remember to, before Easter, which is tomorrow, just drop off some food, would you? And, not candy or leftover bread or stuff that's going in your shelf forever. Bring in a frozen turkey, a frozen ham, vegetables, rolls, things like that. That's what they really need. I hope that's back in the background I hear not fighting. Paris, my grandson, you know, does a lot for me. He's cleaning the office, which I was supposed to do, but I can't. My house is to be spotless. Feet off the floor. Hubby does her best, her very best, to keep things going. I'm not doing it anymore because I don't care, because I'm just falling apart. The pain is bad, but what I do? Polar bear paws. So full of nuts. But you're wondering, why aren't you eating any of them? Because I'll get sick. Despite popular opinion, sick is not rejection. So I know something. Oh, she likes to be sick. No, she doesn't. My immune system, everything, bones, That's why every time the doctor hits me with something new, I look at him and I say, and the reason why I can't compose now. The chronically ill have a lot. They're always ill. The terminally ill always have children they left behind or someone they truly loves them. I only speak for myself, but as a chronically ill person, I take up space. I have no use to anybody anymore, which is part of finding me. You're all gonna get sick and throw up. That's what you're gonna be. It's amazing. I never, on Easter Sundays we used to get dressed and vest, and, for our shiny shoes, and our hair curls. Now I don't even go to church. I don't trust them. But if I could, I would. And the medicine, of course, keeps me rolling. So, candy doesn't make you fat. It's an empty calorie, and if you're diabetic, it'll make you very sick. And if you're not a diabetic, it'll make you very sick. Candy is good in small doses. I'm not much of a candy eater. I actually live almost on a completely liquid diet, protein drinks, and a lot of iron and calcium and all that because my stomach stopped working. Now you'd think I'd be thin, but because of the medication I'm on, they put on a good 100 pounds on me. I'm not a model anymore. I remember in the day when I'd get breakfast. I remember in the day that people thought I was the nicest thing alive. And I now look back and I ask, was it just my looks and maybe the nicest thing on earth? Or was I really the nicest thing on earth? I don't know. I know that since these are unusual jelly beans, they're covered with white sugar. And they crunch. What do you need? I know. Anyway, it's time to eat. Just take it from a blender, pour it in a cup. Happy Easter.